Take your time. Okay? Aim at the X. No matter what, aim at the X. You can hang on to it. Okay, 4 shots. Aim at the X. Take your time. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to take the magazine out. Put this one in. You don't have to rack the slide because there's one already in the chamber. Okay? Just tap it real hard. Okay. Now just shoot. You don't have to rack the slide. All right. Okay. Okay. One more shot. Okay. Just 2 more shots. Towards the end. Just for fun.